Luxury Christmas tree decorations transform the holiday season into an elegant and enchanting experience, elevating the atmosphere of your home to one of sophistication and warmth. The meticulous attention to detail and high-quality materials used in these decorations make a significant difference, creating a festive environment that resonates with opulence and style. When it comes to selecting luxury Christmas tree decorations, the options are vast and varied, allowing for a personalized touch that reflects your taste. One of the key aspects is the choice of ornaments. Handcrafted ornaments made from materials like glass, porcelain, and crystal are popular in luxury settings. These ornaments often feature intricate designs, such as hand-painted scenes, delicate filigree, or gold leaf accents, which add a layer of richness to the tree. Vintage-inspired ornaments, especially those that mimic the ornate styles of the Victorian or Art Deco eras, are particularly trendy, bringing a sense of nostalgia coupled with luxury. Incorporating natural elements can also enhance the luxury of your Christmas tree. Pine cones dusted with gold or silver, sprigs of real or faux berries, and even small clusters of pearls can add a refined, organic touch. These elements not only bring texture and depth to the tree, but also connect the indoor decor with the natural beauty of the winter season. Additionally, garlands made from lush velvet ribbons, pearls, or even small crystals can be elegantly draped around the tree, creating a sense of cohesion and flow. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a luxurious Christmas tree. Opt for warm white lights that exude a soft golden glow, casting a warm and inviting ambience throughout the room. String lights with tiny, delicate bulbs, or even those with a subtle twinkle effect, add a touch of magic to the tree. For an even more luxurious touch, consider incorporating crystal or glass light covers that refract the light, creating a shimmering effect reminiscent of a starlit night. The tree topper is another opportunity to infuse luxury into your Christmas tree. Traditional toppers like angels or stars can be reimagined in luxurious materials such as blown glass, gold, or silver. Some prefer more modern and abstract toppers, like a burst of metal rays, a cascading ribbon, or even a small chandelier-inspired piece, which adds a contemporary flair. The key is to choose a topper that complements the overall theme of your tree, while making a bold statement. Luxury Christmas trees also embrace a color palette that exudes sophistication. Traditional colors like deep reds, rich greens, and metallics such as gold and silver remain timeless choices. However, there is also a growing trend toward less conventional color schemes. For example, a monochromatic tree in shades of white, cream, and gold can create a stunningly elegant look, while a tree adorned in varying shades of blue and silver evokes a winter wonderland feel. Another modern trend is the use of jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, and amethyst, which bring a regal and luxurious aesthetic to the tree. Personalization is another hallmark of a luxury Christmas tree. Custom-made ornaments that reflect your family's heritage, hobbies, or milestones can be incorporated into the design. These personalized touches not only add to the tree's uniqueness, but also create a deeper connection with the holiday season, making it more meaningful. For those who value exclusivity, commissioning bespoke decorations from artisans or designers ensures that your tree is one of a kind. The choice of tree itself is also important in setting the stage for luxury decorations. While real trees offer a traditional and aromatic option, high-quality artificial trees have become increasingly popular in luxury settings. These trees are often pre-lit and feature realistic branches and needles, sometimes even coated with a touch of glitter or frost for added elegance. The advantage of artificial trees is their durability and the ability to maintain a perfect shape throughout the holiday season, providing the ideal canvas for your decorations. A luxury Christmas tree doesn't just stand alone. It should harmonize with the rest of your holiday decor. This means extending the luxurious theme throughout the room, or even the entire house, with complementary pieces such as wreaths, garlands, and centerpieces. Incorporating similar materials, colors, and motifs throughout your decor ensures a cohesive and polished look. The advantages of having a luxury Christmas tree are numerous. Firstly, it serves as a stunning centerpiece that enhances the aesthetic of your home, impressing guests and creating a memorable backdrop for holiday gatherings. A luxury tree also reflects a high level of care and thoughtfulness in your holiday preparations, signaling to guests that they are in for a special and well-curated experience. The ambience created by such a tree can also elevate the overall mood, making the holiday season feel even more special and cherished. Moreover, the quality of luxury decorations ensures that they can be treasured for years to come, becoming heirlooms that can be passed down through generations. The durability and timeless appeal of these decorations mean that they will not only last, but also remain stylish year after year. This long-term value can justify the initial investment, as these pieces often retain their beauty and charm far longer than their mass-produced counterparts. Luxury Christmas trees also provide a canvas for creativity. The process of selecting and arranging decorations can be a fulfilling and artistic endeavor, allowing you to express your personal style and vision. Whether you lean towards a classic, traditional look or prefer something more modern and avant-garde, a luxury tree offers endless possibilities for customization. Incorporating luxury into your Christmas tree decorations also encourages a mindful approach to holiday decorating. Instead of rushing through the process, you may find yourself taking more time to carefully place each ornament, ensuring that the overall effect is harmonious and balanced. This mindfulness can enhance your enjoyment of the holiday season, turning the act of decorating into a cherished ritual rather than just another task on your holiday to-do list. When you embrace the concept of a luxury Christmas tree, you're not just decorating a tree, you're creating an experience that resonates deeply with the spirit of the season. Every ornament, ribbon, and light becomes part of a larger story that unfolds in your home, captivating everyone who encounters it. This experience is enriched by the emotions and memories tied to each piece, especially when you've curated your collection over time. One of the most rewarding aspects of having a luxury Christmas tree is the ability to tailor it to different themes or inspirations each year. While some may opt to keep the same style for continuity, others might enjoy the challenge of reinventing their tree annually, playing with new color palettes, materials, or even cultural influences. For instance, one year, you might decide on a classic European-inspired tree with gilded ornaments, velvet ribbons, and antique candle lights. The next year, you might switch to a modern, minimalist approach with sleek, monochromatic decorations and a focus on geometric shapes and subtle metallics. This flexibility allows you to keep the holiday decor fresh and exciting, making each Christmas unique. Incorporating seasonal scents into your luxury Christmas tree setup is another way to enhance the overall sensory experience. Real pine trees naturally exude a delightful fragrance that fills the room, but for artificial trees, consider adding scented ornaments or diffusers with notes of pine, cedar, cinnamon, or even frankincense. This olfactory element adds another layer of richness to your holiday environment, making it even more immersive and inviting. The tactile quality of luxury decorations also contributes to the overall experience. High-end ornaments and garlands often feel substantial and well-crafted, with textures that are pleasing to the touch. The smooth coolness of a glass ornament, the softness of a velvet ribbon, or the intricate detail of a hand-carved wooden figure add a tangible sense of luxury that can be appreciated both visually and physically. Luxury Christmas trees also serve as a canvas for showcasing craftsmanship. Many luxury decorations are handcrafted by skilled artisans, making each piece unique. Whether it's a hand-blown glass bauble, a finely detailed porcelain figure, or a hand-painted ornament, these decorations are miniature works of art. By choosing these pieces, you're not just decorating your tree, you're supporting craftsmanship and celebrating the artistry that goes into creating these beautiful items. Another advantage of a luxury Christmas tree is its ability to inspire and uplift. The elegance and beauty of a well-decorated tree can evoke feelings of joy, wonder, and nostalgia, reminding us of the magic of the holiday season. For children, a luxury tree can become a source of fascination and awe, creating memories that will stay with them for a lifetime. For adults, it can serve as a reminder of the joy of giving and the importance of creating a warm and welcoming environment for loved ones. As the holiday season approaches, the process of planning and decorating your luxury Christmas tree can become an eagerly anticipated tradition. It's an opportunity to gather with family or friends, share stories, and enjoy each other's company while creating something beautiful together. The act of decorating can be as enjoyable as the final result, turning what could be a chore into a cherished part of the holiday festivities. In conclusion, luxury Christmas tree decorations offer a way to elevate the holiday season, creating an atmosphere of elegance, warmth, and beauty. With careful selection of high-quality materials, thoughtful attention to detail, and a personalized touch, A luxury Christmas tree can become a stunning centerpiece that enhances the festive spirit of your home. The advantages of investing in luxury decorations go beyond their aesthetic appeal, offering long-term value, opportunities for creativity, and the chance to create lasting family traditions.